Now we wanted to find the volume of Barbie, but this graduated cylinder is clearly too small. Let's see if this larger 1 liter graduated cylinder will work. Yep, it sure will.
The problem is, she's not dressed for it.
No.
These are not her swimming clothes.
No.
Be right back. Let's estimate how many cubic centimeters we think she is.
Wow.
It's about 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, but she's this way too. 45, 90, 135. I'm going to go with about 200.
200
cubic
centimeters or 200 milliliters.
I think we'll take 200 of those.
Okay.
Yeah.
After our prediction, the next thing to do is to record the starting volume of the liquid. What is the starting volume here? Take a moment and write it down. Next, we have to make sure that she will fit completely under the water, because if any part of her body were sticking out of the water, we wouldn't have her complete volume. She will fit under the water, and now it's time to find Barbie's volume.
Oh, Barbie, oh. Hey, she's like, whoa, she can't breathe,
That's
man.
good. All right.
What are you doing?
Bubbles, is she actually alive?
She's holding her breath.
Oh, good. Whew.
The last step here is to record the volume of the liquid after the object has been submerged. What is the level of the water now after Barbie is totally under the water, displacing her entire volume? What is the volume? Take a moment and write down what you think the volume is here.
So it started, the volume was 840, and once I was in there, it went up to 980. 980 minus 840 is 140. So I displaced 140 milliliters, which means my volume is 140 cubic centimeters. I'm gonna go dry out.